Hello, warm welcome back to the channel. I just want to show you this map. Okay, you say what's special about it? It's a map of Morocco, and we are planning to go to Morocco October 25 for a couple of months with another month through Spain and Portugal. So why do I want to show you this map? Okay, you can see my route coming in at Tangier. We're going to go down to Meknes, Fez, Arazu. I can't say half of these names. And then we're going to go down Midelt, Rashida. And then we're going to go there, spend a bit of time in the desert, maybe take a camel ride. You'll see all this in videos coming soon. Then we head across down to there and then down to there. So let's turn the page over and I'll show you why I'm choosing this particular map. From the desert down here, we're going to go up to the Gorge de Todra, come along up the Gorge de Dardez, coming down to Quarteres, whatever they call it, and then we're going to come down, Tata, and down and down and down, and then we're going to meet my son here, who's doing some paragliding. But the reason I've chosen this particular map is this. Now, I've read many stories. You go to Morocco with the Michelin map, and if you are controlled by the customs and they want to see your map of Morocco, and it's the Michelin one, this is the problem. It is not marked the Western Sahara, Morocco. Okay, it's marked Sahara Occidental. There's been a war going on for quite some time. Who owns this part of the Sahara? And the Moroccans want this Western Sahara put on it, not Occidental. So you're probably asking yourself, well, what map is it? Well, I looked and looked and looked, and I went on to artificial intelligence and asked which road map shows Western Morocco, and this is the guy that I came up with, made by National Geographic. You can get it on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link down below at the end of this video so that you too, if you're planning to go to Morocco, then get yourself a National Geographic map of Morocco, and you won't be troubled by the customs, and they're not going to take that map away from you. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. Please like it if you've enjoyed it, if you've learnt something from it, of course. Subscribe if you haven't already done. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. And then just tell your friends about Itchy Wheels. It's my new channel on camping car adventures around Europe. So be pleased to see you back again. Bye.